Hi everyone, I'm August, and this week I'm doing kind of a continuation on what I did last week. So last week I was playing around with putting the negative space on after I did the painting part. So normally I would have that background color and do the painting over it, a swipe or a transfer or whatever it is. And I wanted to try putting the negative space on after to see if I could kind of clean up the edges and just see what different patterns and looks and designs we can get. So this week it's similar to last week, but a little bit different. So all the pouring medium and colors and everything are in the description below. I'm using a SHELEE Art bloom recipe, which means I'm using a white house paint pillow. I put that house paint pillow down and then I started laying down some different blue colors, kind of oceany colors, and came in with this palette knife here with nothing on the back of it and swiped through those colors just to get them blended. Then I got a smaller palette knife and I put some SHELEE Art Cell Activator on the back and did a few swipes running through that white cell activator and black cell activator. After that, this is when we're adding our negative space. So I loaded this up with just black paint mixed with my pouring medium, and I started just kind of drizzling through the swipe part. So just adding different lines and designs going through where I had swiped those colors. Now, when I did this, after I put the black paint on this palette knife, I wiped it off like 3 or 4 times on a paper towel, and that's going to reduce the drips coming off the edges while we're doing while we're laying the paint down. The other thing I did, I didn't want a thick ribbon running through this painting, so I didn't let it run off this bottom part of the palette knife. I let it all drip off the side here, so then that created just a thinner line going through the painting. So had this loaded up and I just was going back and forth, kind of overlapping the lines of the black paint going through where I did the painting, and then I added some black up top, black on the bottom for negative space on either side, and spun it out. Something else to keep in mind, your paint does spread. So you'll notice in the video, when I was doing the swipe part, those colors were only probably covering this middle part of the board because I was going to be adding the black negative space to either side, and then it was obviously going to spit out. So keep that in mind. Don't have your swipes covering, or whatever design you're doing, covering the whole board when you're going to add that negative space on at the end. I believe that was everything. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know it's different, I know it's a little weird, but I thought the lines running through it would just be different and add some interest, and I'm still playing around with it. So hopefully you guys give it a try and create something amazing. I feel like there's something there. I just haven't fully gotten exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to keep playing around with it. Creations with Tanya and Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. They don't have videos this week, but their channels are in the description below, so please go and check those out. I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you have an excellent day.